Hey guys, so for our map making stuff, I was spent like a good hour trying to find like a good piece of software for us to use. Unfortunately, it looks like the Adobe Creative Cloud stuff doesn't have like an adjustable like background or template size, so it's like easy to work with. That wouldn't like, like off-center things if we adjusted the size later on. And for like anything else, I've just kind of been finding like a dead end because either the software costs money for the features we would need or is complicated. So like you'd have to tack on modifications to the software, and I don't think we necessarily need that for, this fun kind of a project. And then what I found so far that I thought might work for kind of how I described to you guys what I thought like maybe we could do for our map was the whiteboard function of Canva. Don't know what caused me to find Canva other than like an ad. It's like, oh, you can make maps with Canva. I'm like, sure. Anyways, there's just this infinite whiteboard. It'll grow as we need it to, and I was thinking we could use like, and say, obviously like outside the area, we could have a key, and of course it'd be way neater than this. Be like, each square represents 5 feet, 10 feet, or you can go like metric and be like 20 meters. And then we could have inside there, we could just create kind of like a boundary of some kind. We could have like a hollow square. I haven't figured out how to make it hollow yet, but we could have a hollow square, and then like, have that like be like the border around whenever we finish. We create like a little border around it wherever we want, whether like there's a hollow function or like, we can just like draw like lines around it. Delete. And then I was thinking like for like inside the map, we could obviously use like the draw tool as needed. Like we could adjust like the size of this, and then like we could use this to like maybe make paths. We could use maybe like clip art textures to make paths, kind of like whatever we discuss and feel out. Then like, yeah, within like the borders of like the map or something. Like we'll just call this like our little map here. I know this is incredibly boring to watch. Riveting content. Like, boom, there's our map. Be like, all right, boom, 5 feet. And then that's our scale, equal 1 square. Then like we could pull up like some clip art and stuff, and like I'll just make like kind of like maybe the shaded parking lot we were talking about. We could have like, boom, clip art, and then we could just, like use some of the simple shapes they have in here. We can like change up their colors. Be like, oh, okay, we wanted this to be like white, so we can have that there. And then, so like, I don't know, cars, like, so if each square is 5, 10, 15, 20 feet. Okay, there we go. Then, let's see, I'd like to rotate this to the side. That's totally not wonky. Then we can just kind of like pop some of these on top of there. Or under there. Let's see, how can we bring this to front? Unlock. Position. Bring forward. Oh, that's how that works, all right. Then boop, boop, boop. And then like we could maybe just kind of do something like that. Anyways, I just wanted to put this short little video together for you guys to kind of show you my idea of kind of like what it is. If you guys have any other suggestions or ideas for like how we could make our map digitally, feel free to shout them out in the group chat. See you guys Thursday.